Hello again. We are still at it. We are almost to the bottom. We have seen a little bit of, well, we've seen color, what you see on the beach of Oregon or Washington. It's the first time we've brought anything home from the beach. I mean, as far as black sand. Well, right from there, without my little flashlight, I can see some yaller right in there. I don't know if the cameras are picking that up, but it's right there. Whew. Definitely reminds me of the beach. Smells like the beach. Should smell like the beach as well. It came from the beach. And like I said in the other video, if I'm looks like I'm doing something wrong, please comment, subscribe, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Because this is the first time I'm doing this with the gold cube. I'm used to doing crushing up ore. This is gold. This is gold ore from our mining claim. That's just some of it. I'm surrounded by it. There's our chain mill and our crushers out there. Let me see if I can find something. Oh boy. Let's see here. This is what we're generally doing. Or hard rock mining. And that's my director telling me to get back to work. As you can see behind me, little red A52. Sluice. So let me get this done. Stop jaw jacking and get it done, as Jeff Williams says. It'll be interesting what we get. Or if we get anything. Who knows? It's not an area that, per se, that there's gold. It's not near any type of a bay like Washington, where the dredgers come out of Columbia and dump their load, and then it falls back onto the Washington side. This is in Oregon. Yep. Or you can ride quads, ATVs, side by sides. You should kind of know where it is, because there's not too many places like that that have it. But I'll reveal it after we see what we see. Either way, doesn't matter. It's on a, what they call states campground, federal campground, so you're not going to be doing any, you can't claim it. Guess I'm going to have to switch to the Spoon. Okay. We'll do the spoon gig. And see what we see. Like I said, we're not gonna get rich. There's no way you're getting rich off this stuff. I gotta get some more water here. Meaning I gotta get some from our panning tub. The panning tub's not very warm. Thinking we're gonna have to get like an aquarium. Heater or something. I've talked to my brother-in-law. He has a giant aquarium. And who knows? He might have some ideas on it. But we're getting down to the nitty-gritty. Or getting down to nothing. Who knows? You never know. I definitely am not an expert at this stuff, but you never know until you try. Might be a waste of time, or we might see, well, I've already seen a little bit of color, so obviously there is some gold. And I'll take that back. There is a river south of us. Forgot what the river's called, but I wouldn't think they would dredge it. I don't know. Why don't we just do this? Pull that off. And a little bit of water. Like I said, if anyone has any more experience than me, which would be easy to do, tell me what I'm doing wrong. I don't know. Like I said, wow, this bucket stinks. Should take it to my sister. She loves the smell of the seawater. They don't know if this is seawater. Well, looks like we're done. And now I'll bring you back when I get done cleaning this. All empty. I think I'm gonna turn that upside down. Let it drain out. And yes, to you guys, all empty. I will bring you back when we're over there panning. That would have been no good. Come on. Well, let's see. Yeah, that's really not doing anything. Oh yeah, good stuff. Shut that off. Hey, if you can find one of these, that's a rechargeable loop, and it's a I think it's a 400 zoom. Looks like this. You can get it on Amazon. But what's cool about it, we use this all the time whenever we're at our hard rock mine. Is it has a light, okay? And it has ultraviolet, and it's rechargeable. Because then, see, you can look at rocks up close, and you can change purple and see what's in there. Works really nice. And it has a little spot lamp, but I never use it. Most of the time I leave it on, then I have to recharge it. That's one tip. Get one of those. You can find them on Amazon. We also have the other ones that go around your neck that everyone else has. Wow, it's already almost 13 minutes. So again, here's our channel, Mason Mining, PNW. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, subscribe. Comment. We never said we're good at this. We're learning. Mason Mining out.